Welcome to my Real Estate Jojo with Mr. Investor. This is Mike. Gang, as you already know, and today's subject's about the mechanics of a subject to and what happens at closing. Basically, the mechanics of a subject to at closing is everything's the same as traditional transaction. One of the few things that's different is that the underlying note never gets cashed out, okay? You just step into the seller's shoes and make the monthly payments, okay? His underlying note or the lien or the loan stays in place. So after closing, you step into the seller's shoes, you make the monthly payments month after month till you cash out the loan, okay? Or till you sell the property and then cash out the loan for the seller's note. Therefore, this is very important, so pay attention. When anybody does the seller's credit, that house mortgage or the house loan is still on the seller's credit, okay? So it's very important that you make the monthly payments month after month, okay? And your ability to explain to the seller that that mortgage is going to be still under their neck or their responsibility. And even though you bought the house, when they do their credit report, it's going to show up as a liability for them, okay? So it's very important that you explain that to the seller. All right, gang. If you have any questions or comments, please list it below, and I will answer your comments or questions in 48 hours. At the same time, if you enjoy these videos, please subscribe, please comment, please like, please share. Help me help you make more videos. I do these videos for free, and when you subscribe, when you like them, it pumps me up. It gives me energy to make more videos for you. Gang, this is Mike with Mr. Investor. Go out there, take action, and make it happen for yourself. I'll talk to you later, gang.